Hey everybody, so today I got the new Mac Mini. This thing is tiny. This has the M4, this is the M4 Pro processor chip. So we're just gonna unbox it. It comes very well packaged. Let's see what we got here. As normal, nice heavy duty box. So this is the size of the Mac Mini Pro. Brand new design. That's the fan under there. So that's the back of the unit. There's 3 Thunderbolts, HDMI, the power, and the, yeah, whatever that one is. 2 up front. And I believe that's a headphone port right there. But this thing is tiny. It's power cord. Kind of a weird little blades. Normally they have the holes in them. And there's some literature stuff. I think that's it. So that's it. You got the Mini and the power cord. All right, now I'm going to go hook it up.